And rebound still, Taroma. Pass to the middle. Moving back at the free throw. Bullseye. This is the mid lane. He goes to the middle. Goes to Lace. Rims. Oh! Ilocos Norte. Ramos. Lace hooks up. Best blood for Timbana. He uses the screen. Pass inside.
Salveo.
He spins. Hook shot. Ew! Bakit? Uy. Uy! Binato. And here's the jump ball. And here's quarterfinals for Ilocos Norte. Ramos fakes, drives, lays, hooks. Best blood for Timban. Salvejo. Cabiles drives to the hoop. Short. Rebound and a putback. Salvejo. Taroka drives, hook shot.
Ronaldo
Cabiles.
setting the play.
Pass to Luna, he goes to the corner. Stepping back for three. Bang! And that's a 2 points. And a pass. Costo to the middle. Done for the inbound, looking for the receiver. Cabiles spins, hook pass. Wasay drives, floater, in and out. Another rebound, the putback, bullseye. Ramos stepping back for three. Off the target, rebound. Taroma fires short. And rebound still, Taroma. Pass to the middle. Stopping back at the free throw, bullseye. Cabiles for setting the play. Wasay for the receive. Pass back to Cabiles. Cabiles to make way. Pull up jumper. In touch off target to the rebound. Luna. Pull up J Bucket and one. Ramos for the rebound. Ramos to the middle. Ulit. And Cabiles.
Pass to Wasay.
Wasay for the receive.
Wasay asking for screen.
Wasay. Dumistansya. Crossover stops inside pass. Picks. Rondal. Great space. Oops. 3 seconds pa. He crosses the mid lane. He goes to the middle. Goes to Lace. Rims. Oh! And Costo.
Pass to
Ramos. Launch on 3.
And Salveo got the rebound. Pass
And
to
3 on 1 ang laban. Side step layup. Lock.
Here comes
Costo Sumegwe. He goes to the wings. To Ramos. Goes to the baseline. Hook pass. Taroma. Libre. Bakit easy to? Cabiles setting the play. Sumisinyas ng mamaya. He uses the screen. Pass inside. Salvejo. He spins. Hook shot. Ew! Bakit for two? Oh. Uy. Binato. Guillermo. He pass to the wings. Taroma.
second shot clock.
To Guillermo. He's at the middle. He has a 3. Rebound. Wasay. He dribbled the ball. He's at the logo. He's at the top.
Pass to Cabiles.
Cabiles.
Pass to
Domingo crossover spins. He's stolen. And it's Castro. He's tapped for 3. Costo. Short. Rebound. Put back. Alonda with a strong move. And pass Cabiles for 3. Short. Put back shot. Basket and 1. Ricodos for the rebound. For the inbound. Gusto for 3. Rebound. Wasay dribble the ball. He goes to the middle. Drives. Kicks out. Cabiles fakes. Attacks. No look pass inside. Fakes bar. Libre. Guillermo. Pass to Guillermo. Guillermo again. Guillermo pa rin. Pass to Guillermo. Sa 3, Guillermo. The target. Rebound. Reverse rebound of the girls. Reverse line. Baliktaran ang laban. Guillermo to Guillermo. To Guillermo.
15 on the the shot clock.
Guillermo, he attacks, he kicks to corner, Sotres, off the mark, rebound Wasay, Wasay, straight to the hoops, the side step with the,
Here comes
and
Guillermo.
Guillermo, attacks, inside, fires off the glass from the baseline, and 25 seconds left of the game clock, Luna attacks, fires, Guillermo, dumive, pasok yan, Guillermo to Guillermo.
Last 5 seconds.
5 seconds on the game clock. Luna drives, hook shot, won't go. And another pulling away. Domingo with the receive.
15 on the shot clock.
Natapikan, stolen. Guillermo in hurry, pass inside, pass to Bernardo, pasok yan. Wasay. Wasay is pinasa kay Valdez sa 3. Won't go. Fight for the rebound. Goes to, oh, binato yung ulo. Headshot. Nadali. Nag-sorry naman. Sorry.
Guillermo.
And Guillermo corner pass. Hernando for 3. Bang! Yeah! Mabilis. He's at the middle. He pass to Domingo. Bounce pass to Luna. Almost lost. Recover by Domingo. Attacks. Lees. Too strong. Fight for the rebound. Salveo. Put back. Won't go. Rebound Domingo. Picks. Attacks. Spins. And is stolen. Oh, pinalisot pa. Oh, nauna na. Oh, wala. And here's Ermo. Levels na. Mabilis. He's at the top. Pass to Wings. Pull up Jay Wasay. Rebound. Hook shot. Bullseye. Salveo. Rebound dito. Guillermo. Drives straight to the hoop. Sinausaw. And here's Wasay. Wasay. Pass to the middle. Stolen again. And here's Hernando bumangga. Pass off the glass. Grabe yun. Pass to Luna. Bumangga. Falling away. Bullseye. And one. And here's Kabisura. Corner pull up J. Bullseye. The net. Valdez, he goes down. He stops for 3. Bang! Here's Valdez. Pass to the middle. Cabiles. Cabiles attacks. Pass inside. Valdez. Hook shot. Walter. Luna. Put back. Too strong. Rebound. Put back. Wala pa rin. Oh, stolen. Hook shot. Valdez. No good. Rebound. Luna off the glass. Luna. Bucket is good. Guillermo to Guillermo.
Back to Guillermo.
To Guillermo.
15-second shot clock.
Use the screen. Goes to the middle. Pass inside. Stolen. Long pass. Cabiles. Libreng-libre. Goodbye to Guillermo. Cross pass.
Pass to Hernando.
Hernando for 3. Short. Fight for the rebound. Valdez.
Pass to Cabiles.
Cabiles. Inside. Oh, gandang connection nun. Guillermo. Costo. Costo. Behind the back dribble. Attacks. Side step. Pass off the glass. Domingo.
Pass to Cabiles.
Cabiles, Wasay, drives to the baseline, floater, bucket, Wasay. And Guillermo drives, kicks out, Costo with the receive, dalawa yung gumardya, Fernando, here's Pasto, and Fernando.
10 on the shot clock. Guillermo.
And Guillermo drives, bumangga,
Foul on.
backdoor inbound. Looking for 6, here's pass to Costo. Costo to the corner, fix. Inside pass, the connection.
Regondos. Pass to
And it's
Guillermo.
Guillermo, corner for 3. Short, rebound. Here's Guillermo with the grabs all the hoops, bucket, another one. Cabiles. Cabiles to Domingo. To Cabiles. Cabiles drives to the middle. Inside pass. Spin. So, grabe yun. Bound. Guillermo with the
10
receive.
on the shot clock.
Pass to Guillermo sa 3.
Good.
Rebound. Put back. Block. Wasay. And the second time. Uy. Wasay. Cabiles. To the Wasay. So, excited pa. Luna for 3. Short.
Rebound by Regondos. Pass to
And it's
Costo.
Costo. Sumigsag. Costo to the hoops. Off the glass. Bucket. Costas. Luna. Seconds to play. Salveo. Side step. Level stop. Won't go. 14 seconds. Inside pass. Pass off the glass. Bucket. Down to 1 point lead. And it's stolen again. 4 seconds. Inside pass for the lead. For the lead. by 1! Peter! Grabe yun! Dal. Pass to Wasay. Wasay. Pass to Luna. Corner pass. Far sa 3. Short. Rebound. And here's Costo. Libreng-libre. Easy to. Costo. Kabilis at the logo. He stopped. He passed to Luna. Luna drives to the baseline. Behind the back. And stolen. And Ramos bounce pass. Fix. Clutch fire. Ramos. He stop long three. Off the mark. Fight for the rebound. Put back shot of the window. Luna. Wasay. Cross pass to Cabiles. Corner pass. Salveo. Bullseye. Salveo. Ramos. Taroma. Ramos. Step back. Costo.
10-second shot clock.
And a pass. Regodos. Pull up jumper. In and out and back. Cabiles.
Pass to
He
Wasay.
pass to Wasay. Floater. Off the mark. Rebound. And this Ramos. Ramos, 3-in-1, 3-on-2, fires off the glass, Costo, and 1! Salveo, Cabiles, Nagmabales, inside pass, fires off the glass, Iglesia with the back. Cabiles with the ball, pass to Iglesia, Iglesia to Salvejo, spins, cross pass, is stolen by Ramos, Ramos all alone, goodbye, easy to. And crosses the mid lane, Cabiles. Crossover move, nakalusot, pull up jumper, no good, and a pass break, Ramos, another, bucket, back to Ramos, Iglesia dribble the ball, and bounce pass is stolen again, Ramos, another, back to, Cabiles to the middle, attack, Salveo, lace, bucket, Salveo, Casto, and a pass. Renodos, Potter, in and out. Rebound, put back, Alonday. Oh, nag-text. And here's Valdez. Cross pass to Cabiles. Hook pass to the middle. And pass, Domingo pinabitin. Ramos. Corner pass, Costo. Costo, pass to Ramos. Ramos. Use the screen. Spins. Floater. Oh, what go? Domingo. Sumegway, Domingo. Pass to Valdez. Valdez to Cabiles for 3. Bang! Cabiles. Here's Ramos. Ramos is straight to the rim. Lace bucket. Ramos. Back to Ramos. Ramos is slowly dribbling the ball. He attacks. Corner for 3. He won't go. Kicks out. Wide open for 3. Bang! Costo 3 to Domingo. Domingo crossover. And here's Valdez. And final quarter action. Costo, he goes to the middle. He stop pull up jumper. Oh, in and out. Alonday inside pass. And here's Domingo. Domingo. Pinasa. Hook shot block.
There's the whistle.
Costo crossover. Guarded by pass. Wasay. Hook pass to the middle. And here's Recodos. Ramos picks. He spins. And Costo for 3. No good.
Luna pass to Cabiles.
Cabiles. Tumigway. Fires of the last bucket. Cabiles. Cabiles. Luna. Attacks. Pass inside. Fire of the glass. Salve. Ramos receives the ball.
The shot clock.
Against Cabiles, bounce pass. Domingo against Bergado, spins. Oops, traveling.
Traveling violation.
Cabiles, he pass to Luna, wide open for 3. Off the mark, fight for the rebound.
Alonday got the rebound. Pass to
Alonday,
Ramos.
Ramos to the middle.
Pass to
Fernando,
Fernando to Costa.
pass off the glass. Costo. And stolen. Ramos, minute pit lace off the glass. Bucket. Cabiles to the hoop, short, and stolen again.
Got the rebound.
And pass, inside pass, Potter, off the glass, Ramos. Luna, stops,
There's a whistle. 35.
Ramos, sumisigsag, he attacks, side step the floater, in and out, Rebound Ramos, put back, basket, Ramos. Cabiles between the legs. Cabiles. Natapikan. Wasay with the receive.
12 on the shot clock.
Wasay natapikan. Costolis. Bakit? Costo. And here's Domingo to the hoops of the glass. Yes, sir. Hernando to the corner. Costo wide open. Too strong. And rebound. And oops, Godos. And baseball pass. Salviejo. Lace. And one. Costo. Attacks. Costo goes black. Backdoor inbound. And he kicks out. Costo with the receive.
15 on the shot clock.
Babalik dito. And attacks. Costo. Lace of the window. Manny. Fernando
15 on the shot
against
clock.
Luna. Fernando to Ramos.
10 on the shot clock.
Shot clock down to 8.
Last
Ramos for 3. Bam! Oh! And Cabiles to the middle. Wasay. Cabiles. Domingo. Dribble. Inside pass. Luna. Basket and one. Fernando. Side step. Oh! Oh! Huli pero di kulong.
lane violation.
Nagmamadali.
That's what you...
Cabiles to Wasay. Pull up jumper. Basket and one. Do.
15 on the shot clock.
And shot clock down to 10.
Last 1 minute.
Crossover.
5 on the shot clock.
Pull up J. Bullseye. Recodo. And a pass back. Valdez. For 3. Short.
Same ball.
And congratulations. Team Banna.